Welcome back to the channel. Got another homemade baby food recipe today. We're using chicken and pears. So I got some organic pears here. I'm going to peel the skin off them. Always make sure you wash your fruit and vegetables. Once our skin is removed, I'll cut around the core. And just cut these down to about 1-inch chunks. Once all our pears are cut, add them to the steamer pot and we'll cook them until tender, about 5 minutes or so. In the meantime, we can prepare our chicken. So I have organic chicken breast here. You could use chicken thighs as well. Take one chicken breast, cut a little bit off, so we'll use a little more than half of one chicken breast. And we'll cut that down about the same size as we cut our pears. Chicken's high in protein as well as vitamin B6. And with the pears, it's going to add sweetness as well as more vitamins and nutrients. We'll check on our pears. It's been 5 minutes. These are tender. These are ready to take out. We'll add those to the blender. And then we'll add in our chicken. We'll steam this for about 10 minutes. We want to make sure that the chicken is cooked through. So once our chicken is cooked, we'll add that to the blender right on top of the pears. And I like to add 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon for an added depth of flavor. Add in formula, breast milk or filtered water, so we have a nice smooth puree, and just blend that until smooth. Once blended, we'll add that to a container. This will hold in the fridge 3 to 4 days, or in your freezer up to 3 months. Organic chicken breast, pears, and ground cinnamon. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. We'll see you in the next one.